On to one of our top stories through the day. 3 days since he killed a poor fisherwoman, Mihir Shah, the son of Shinde Sena leader, has been arrested. He was picked up from Virar in Mumbai suburbs. Despite the arrest, now the family is still skeptical of justice. Remember, the Shinde Sena leader, Mihir Shah's father, who was arrested yesterday for non-cooperation with the probe, was released on bail the same day. Listen in to what the family had to say.
अभी देखो 3 दिन के बाद वो पकड़ा जाता है, इसका मतलब क्या है? अगर वो अल्कोहलिक नहीं था, अगर वो नशा नहीं किया, अगर वो दारू नहीं पिया है, अगर वो ड्रग्स नहीं किया, तो वो छुपा क्यों? मेरा मेन पॉइंट क्या है, वो छुपा क्यों? तुमने अगर गुनाह नहीं किया तो छुपा क्यों? 3 दिन गायब क्यों हो गया? हाँ, तुम रास्ते में गाड़ी छोड़ के उसका नंबर प्लेट तोड़ के तुम गायब हो जाता है। हाँ, घर पे नहीं जाता है, कहाँ जाता है, किधर जाता है? तुम छुपता क्यों रहा? अगर तू गुनाह नहीं किया ना, सच्चे दिल से गुनाह नहीं किया, तो तू छुपा क्यों है? हमको बताओ ना।
क्या मांग करेंगे आप? क्या कड़ी से कड़ी क्या मांग करेंगे?
अभी देखो 3 दिन के बाद उसके शरीर में तो अल्कोहल नहीं रहेगा। अब उसके पास 20 वकील रहेंगे। हम गरीब आदमी, हमको कौन न्याय देगा? हमको न्याय देने वाला कौन है, बताओ आप। हाँ, आज वो क्या जेल में गया, परसों कोर्ट में हाजिर करेंगे, उसके बाद में उसको बेल मिलेगा, वो छूट गया। उसके बाद में केस चलता जाएगा, चलता जाएगा, कोई नहीं है, सब ठंडा हो जाएगा। क्या करेगा हम लोग? किधर से हम लोग पैसा लाएगा? किधर से वकील करेगा? बताओ, कौन है हमारे लिए वाली? हमारा संभालने वाला कौन है? ये नेता लोग को कुछ नहीं, उसका ही लीडर का ये है बेटा। वो क्या बड़ा आदमी है? वो ऐसा 20 आदमी खरीद सकता है, पूरा ये खरीद सकता है वो पूरा। हम लोग के पूछे कौन है? कभी आया देवेंद्र फडणवीस बोलने के लिए आया इधर कि क्या हो गया है? कभी एकनाथ शिंदे आया घर पे कि इसका ऐसा कैसा हो गया, इसके पीछे क्या है? अजित पवार आया? तुम लोग कुर्सी के लालच में है ना, सब अंधे हो गए, अंधे कुर्सी के लालच में। तुम्हारे लिए कुर्सी सब है, पब्लिक नहीं है। पब्लिक के लिए सिर्फ तुम लोग वोट की भीख मांगने के लिए आते, बाद में पब्लिक को भूल जाते सब लोग। पब्लिक है ना, कचरा है, कचरा तुम्हारे लिए। कूड़ा रहता है ना, कूड़ा है, कचरा है। सिर्फ बोलते हैं हम लोग गरीबों के लिए करते, गरीबों के लिए करते। क्या किया तुम लोग गरीबों के लिए? बताओ ना। आज तुमने जो योजना निकाली, लाडली योजना, आपकी लाडली बहन आज मर गई है, उसको खींच के ले गया, कोई उसको संभालने वाला नहीं। मेरे सामने खींच के लेके गया और बोलते हैं वो रिवर्स में डाला। अगर रिवर्स में डालता तो वो बच नहीं जाती। क्या बताओ?
I want him that he should get, we should get justice. My mother should get justice. I want him to get this hanging. Like she is in really bad pain. उसको बहुत लगा है. I saw her with my eye. The hospital I saw her. She's in really bad pain. I want her justice.
उसके पीछे कुछ नहीं बचा, उसके पीछे कुछ नहीं बचा। उसको खींच के लेके गया ना, कुछ नहीं बचा उसके पीछे। कैसे खींच के लेके गया? उसको थोड़ा भी दया नहीं है।
And for more on this, I'm joined by my colleagues Radhika and Anuj. Radhika is at Juhu, outside that pub, which has been sealed now, which had been visited by the accused just moments, hours ahead of that incident, of that unfortunate tragedy which took place. So, Radhika, the Excise Department has of course sealed that pub, but what exactly have they gathered so far in terms of evidence from there?
Well, the Excise Department has in fact sealed this pub, but that is for due to certain irregularities that the pub was sealed. But as far as investigations are concerned, just a while ago we had Worli police officials, Mumbai police officials here at the spot. They just left. In fact, they were talking to several of the employees here, the management here, as well as the patrons who are inside, in order to understand the sequence of events that night. Because at this point, what is imperative for police is to establish the sequence of events, establish how drunk he was, whether he was drunk, what alcohol did he consume, and so on. Because there is a possibility that, you know, alcohol level may not be detected 3 days after the incident. He has been arrested 3 days after the incident. Therefore, the blood alcohol level may not be positive for the police officials. So therefore, they will have to depend on CCTV footage perhaps in the pub, which they are trying to gather. Also, eyewitness accounts from patrons as well as from the employees here. Besides that, what they will have to prove is also the fact that he was behind the steering wheel. Of course, there were efforts done by the father of the accused to convince driver to take blame for the incident, which backfired, which is why the father got arrested. The driver also arrested for sort of aiding and abetting this crime. But there were efforts done to cover up, which is why it becomes imperative for the police to sort of establish the sequence of events, to get evidence as much as possible.
Right.
To confirm that he was indeed drunk. Whether he was drunk or not is something that is that is a matter of investigation. But as per witness accounts, yes, he was drunk. And
Right.
also to sort of get those CCTV image and details as far as him being behind the steering wheel is concerned, which was something that was produced before the court
Right.
yesterday. He will be produced before the court. Mihir will be produced before the court tomorrow.
Yes.
And the maximum
In
remand
fact,
of him will be sought.
Let me bring in Anuj at this point. He is at Worli police station. I believe the accused is there right now. Have the police managed to get any sort of statement from him so far? Anuj, what have they, what has he told them so far?
Interestingly, the accused has not reached the police station here. We've been waiting for 4 hours, but the accused has not come here. But from the sources of police, from our sources in police, we've gotten to know a tentative timeline of how this entire catch went. So what happened is that after the gruesome accident, the car broke down in Kalanagar. When that happened, the prime accused, Mihir, he left the car with his driver still inside, and he went to meet a female friend of his. From there, his sister picked him up, and then they went to Borivali. The family had planned a week or a week and a half outing for him. They packed his bag as soon as they got to know about the accident. And then the father made sure that the family of which consisted the prime accused Mihir, his mother Meena, and his two sisters, all of them were sent to a resort in Shahapur. But the catch lies here, because they were sent to this particular resort in the accused father's car, that is the Mercedes. After making sure that these people are sent to Shahapur's resort, the father went to Kalanagar to check on the vehicle, and the police very swiftly nabbed him there. Now, how did they reach Shahapur? When they were looking at several CCTV footages outside the accident spots, they of course checked the CCTV footage outside the house of the prime accused as well. And then they found out that the Mercedes had left the coincidentally just minutes after the accident had taken place. And after that, they followed CCTV footages at different junctures to map down the journey of that Mercedes vehicle, and that's how they could reach the resort in Shahapur. The police made it to the Shahapur resort at 4 a.m. today morning, but to their surprise, the family was present there, but Mihir himself was absent from the spot. And they, of course, they questioned the family about it, but there was not much that could come out from that particular interrogation. What happened is that they found out that Mihir had left for Virar to meet one of his friends, and the friend switched on his phone for 15 minutes. That's how the police was able to track.
So technical
the
surveillance
of
finally
his friend.